السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم جميعا? I hope everybody is good.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
تمام تمام تمام. Today we only have Saksha, Milia, Aisha, Hidayah, Galime. I hope those who didn't attend the class, they watch the recording of the class later. Because today, inshallah, after we learned al-huruf or the alphabet, today we will learn how to use these huruf to write words. And it's so much important. Let's take a fast review on the letters first. Amelia, start. First 10.
ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم ها هو أو دال ذال را.
Good. تمام. Galime, ابدأي أنت.
را
Nope. What's it?
زي ضال ضال ظال
Wait. Ra, zay.
را را زي دال ذال سين شين.
Yeah. Wait. Ra, zay. After it's seen directly.
Okay, good then. I wasn't
She
sure.
finishes the dalbat.
Seeing that one.
Okay, go ahead. Ra, zay.
را زي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظا عين غين فاء.
Right. أحسنتي. تمام. Good. Saksham, go next.
Oh, la, ma, no, and it's one, no,
Ha, ha.
and last one is, yeah, I'm just quite confused with these two.
Wow before. Wow.
Sorry?
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Hamza.
The Hamza.
Hamza, then yeah.
Then, yeah. Alright.
You need to attend the classes and watch the classes which you didn't attend, or you will be lost in the future. Okay?
Yep. Yep.
Tamam. So guys, as we said, we finished the Arabic letter. The problem about Arabic and some other language that it's attached letter words. Attached letter words. Like English, we write, if we have here the name Nelia, in English, we write it like that. Ni, l, ya. Every letter is alone. It is the same M, the same I, the same L, the same Y, the same A. They are attached. But in Arabic, if I want to write Milia, I cannot write it like that. Mi, mil, ya, like that. Milia. This is the letters of the name Milia in Arabic. That's how to write it. But nobody write Arabic like that. It's wrong. You need to attach these letters together to make it connected. And since we need to attach it, we need to adjust the shapes of them so they fit each other. So they fit each other a little. So we cannot also attach it any like randomly like that, for example. Like this, like this, like this. This will be like disgusting and bad. Okay. It will be very yeah. It will be very disgusting and bad. So there is specific rules help us to attach these letters together. And that is what we are gonna learn today. Today and few classes more, we will understand how we can do that. So let's start, for example, with a few letters on how to connect letters together. So let's imagine we have these letters, for example, ba, jim, noon, sin, and kaf. And let's put sod, for example, at the beginning. So sod, ba, jim, noon, sin, kaf. Everybody, guys, try to, when I write a letter, try to think what is that letter in your mind fast. So you can train yourself to know the letters just by looking, because it's easier to know the letter when you read them after each other, like qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun. But it's hard to ask you what is that or what is that. It's harder. So train yourself. When I write a letter, you fastly try to say it before me. Once you succeed, once you don't, till you master it and you become able to instantly remember the letter. So we have here Sad, Ba, Jim, Noon, Sin, Kaf. Let's imagine that is one word and we need to write it together. How we can do that? Listen carefully to the rules because it will be fixed rules for you in the future. First step, first step, we need to get rid of halves of the letters. We need to get rid of halves of the letter. We need to cut the letters in halves, like that. Left half of the letter, we always remove it. Remove left half of the letter. If the letter is vertical like that, this means you get rid of bottom half of the letter. Bottom half of the letter. Left half of the letter. Remove it. Left half of the letter. Remove it. So you always remove left half of the letter. Left half of the letter, we get rid of it. We remove it. We do not need it. Left half, bottom half, left half, left half. But the last letter, our last letter is always safe and we keep it the same. Our last letter in the word, we keep it safe. We keep it safe. Nobody harm the last letter. So when you have a word, any word you want to write, you start with the letter. Cut, 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 cut. No, safe. This one is safe. This one is safe. Last one is always safe. No cut. No cut. This is first step. So what's first step in writing an Arabic word? Cut every letter in halves. Second rule, write every letter with a hand. Write every letter with a hand. The hand of the letter is used to catch the next letter. The hand of the letter is used to catch the next letter. The hand of the letter used to catch the second letter, used to catch the second letter, used to catch the second letter, and so on. For example, I cut half of the sod, right? So I still have that part. So I will write that part with a hand. Look, this is called a hand. Why we have that hand? So it can catch the next letter. So I still have this part of the ba. So I write it. Look, the hand of the sod catch the ba. And I also write the ba with a hand. So look at the hand. So this hand can catch the jim. So here is the jim. This is the part, the rest of the jim, which I didn't cut. I write it with a hand. Look at the hand. With the hand. Why a hand? So the hand can catch the noon. I still have this part of the noon. So I should write it with a hand. Nobody forget the hand. Every letter with a hand. Why a hand? So the noon can catch the sin with the hand. It's like you have a hand and you catch your friend from his own shirt. So your friend is trying to escape, is trying to run away to that direction, but the hand catches the sin, trying to run like this, but the hand of the noon catch it like this. So that is the scene. Look, the part which I didn't cut from the scene, I write it. This part, which is the part which has the 3 teeth. Then this part have a hand again. Why a hand? So it can catch the calf. So it can catch the calf. And that is the hand, that is the calf. The steen catches the calf. Does the calf has a hand? No. Why? Because it is the last letter, nothing to catch. Nothing to catch. So like that, we have write the full word, attach it in a beautiful way. In a beautiful way. So what is the rules? Cut halves of the letter, except the last letter. Write every letter with a hand, except the last letter, because no hand for the last letter. So last letter always is safe. No cut, no hand. And this way we have write sod with a hand, ba with a hand, jim with a hand, noon with a hand, sin with a hand, kaf without a hand. This means when I look to a word like that, I need instantly, by my own experience and my own practice, to figure out, when I look to figure out that this letter is a sod. We just cut half of it. We just cut this half of the sod. This part is a ba. We just cut this part, the left part of it. We still have one tooth and the noon and the dots. We just cut this part. The ba should be like this, but we cut this part of it. So we only have this part. This part is a gene. We just cut half of it. This part. We still have half of it. This is a noon. Because it have one dot on it, we just cut this part of the noon, the other part of the noon. This part is a sin. We just cut this part of the sin, the left part. And this part is a calf. We didn't touch it. Still calf. Hi guys, is that clear?
It's clear, but I will ask you something.
Mhm.
When you write calf in between, it changes the form, right?
This is
like
called an
this.
exception. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is just an exception. We will learn it in the future. Now we speak about the main rules, not the
Oh,
exception.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's quite clear. Thank you.
So guys, is that more clear and less confusing? If somebody before look to a word, attach it like that and say, what is that? That is not look like the letters which we learned. No, it does look like. It just we cut half of them. Is that less confusing and more clear? Any person have a problem understanding what I said?
No, thank you.
Milia, you?
Everything clear, thanks.
Good. Let's take now another example. Another example. Let's say we have a word like this. The, noon, jim, sod, lamb, noon again. Yeah. So that's a word and we need to attach it. First step, who tell me what we do in the first step?
We made the half cut it.
Exactly. Cut half of every letter except the last one. Cut
Last
half.
one.
Exactly. Cut half of the noon. This letter is jim. Cut half of the jim. Sod. Cut half of the sod. Lamb. Cut half of the lamb. Noon. Cut half of the noon. Yeah. Safe. Last letter.
Yeah.
Last letter. Exactly. It's safe. Then second step. What's second step?
We need to make the hand.
Exactly. Make every letter with a hand. Guys, repeat like what I'm doing now. If you didn't repeat, you will forget. Interact in the class. Open your mic and try to repeat with them. So you remember. Ba, right?
Yes.
Ba with the hand. Look at the hand. Catches a noon.
Noon.
That is noon.
Jim.
With the hand. Jim.
Jim.
With the hand.
Hand. Downside.
Thought. With the hand.
Hand.
With the hand. Lamb. With the hand.
The hand.
Noon. With the hand again.
Yep. The hand. And the
Yeah. Yeah. Without hand. Yeah. Without hand. Like this. Unlike that, you have written the whole words attached.
Yeah.
Focus that your hand always catches the letter mostly from the bottom, except if the letter is written under the line like that. Because look that your hand is always horizontal, like a one horizontal line almost. So this is your line. If you write, for example, in a notebook, the notebook have lines. So this is your own line. Okay. So the hand always catches the letter from the bottom. For example, do not make the hand catch the noon from here. Do not make it like that, for example. That is ba, and then that is noon. Because like that, you will make a stairs. Okay. For example, you will tell me the ba catches a noon, and then the noon catches a jim, and then the jim catches a sad. For example, like this, and the sad catches a lamb.
Then noon.
You will make a stairs, and then the noon as fat. Exactly. You are making a stairs of a word that look like Japanese or Chinese, which are written upside down or something. But that's not correct. The hand always catches the letter from the bottom, except of the letter written under the line, like the ya, for example, it's catches from the top.
Yes.
Only few letters is written under the line, like the ya or the ra, for example, or the zay or the wow. Only few letters is written under the line, but most of the letter, it will catch it from the bottom of the letter, from the bottom. So not, for example, tell me that the hand will catch the lamb from here, or the hand will catch the jim from, or the sod, the jim will catch the sod like this. No, always from the bottom. So let's, for example, say we have another word For example, that word guys. Again, we go to the first step. And last letter is always safe. When we go here and try to write the word, write the lamp with the hand, catches a cough with the hand, then the hand of the cough catches a sheen, which has a hand, and then the sheen catches a dot from the bottom. Always focus that you catch it from the bottom. Then we have a meme, we got it. The dot catch it from the top because the meme is always written under the line. Always written under the line. That is the meme. We will not catch it a meme like this. No. Nope. Catch it from the top. Like this. So that is a meme with a hand. Then we have the ra also from the top. So only two letters here is getting catch it from the top. The meme and the ra. The meme and the ra because both of them is under the line. Most of the letters is get catch from under the line. Like this. And this you have right again the whole word correctly with no mistakes. With no mistakes at all. Is that clear, guys? Is there any question about that?
No, it's clear.
Okay, I hope it's clear. That's what I have about connecting the letters today. That's what we have about connecting the letter today. As I said, we will not write the letters anymore in the homework. Today, inshallah, we will take the first homework about writing. Our homework today will be about attaching letters together. Okay, I will write for you an exercise to attach letter together, and you need to do that exercise at home. So we will make few words. I will choose random letters from the alphabet, and your homework is to attach them together in words. You have ba, you have ta, jeen, ha, and ha, seen, sheen, or I have a better option. I should put a mark on those. Look, this not with us. Do three not with us. This one also not with us. Neither these four. Other than this, so I have removed how many letters? 4 ones, 5, 8, 9. I removed 9 letters. I removed 9 letters. Like, beside these 9, you have the other 20 letters. You have the other 20 letters in the alphabet. I want you in the homework to choose any random letters and make 3 different words. I want 3 different words. So you can choose your letters randomly. Choose words made from 6 letters. So, for example, I will choose ba, for example, from the letters which I give you. I will say I choose ba, ha, g maybe, and what else we have? We have صاد and sheen. صاد مثلا and sheen. Yeah, for example. And I give you also the fa, you can use it. So I choose now 6 letters from the alphabet which I told you. I didn't choose alif or the dal, ra, and zay. This letter which I cancel, do not choose it. Choose 6 from what I give you, like ba, ta, fa, jim, ha, kha, sin, shin, sad, dad, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, and so on. You can choose from those. Choose 6 letters and attach them together. Okay? Choose any 6 random letters and attach them together. Then choose another 6 and attach them. Then choose another 6 and attach them. That's your homework. Okay?
So just have to attach letters. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. You will choose 6, attach them. Choose another 6, attach them. Choose another 6, attach them. With any order randomly.
Right.
Okay. Can I speak, teacher?
Go ahead.
Okay. And are you looking the meaning or
No,
we're like
no. Just
They're
a practice of
they're
writing
fine.
them. Exactly.
Okay.
Only
Thank you.
attaching. No meaning because it's just random letters. It's just a practice. Okay? They are just random letters. No meaning. Just attach them together. For example, you can choose these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is there any question about the homework, guys?
So
Would you please, sir, zoom out? I want to take a screenshot.
You can download the book. It's in the pinned message if you want. You can download it. But if you want to take a screenshot, it's okay also.
Okay, got it.
And
Here's
it's
the message. Go
Right.
down.
find your videos.
No, the other one. Click another time before you go to the video. There is two ones. Look, one, another one. One, another one.
Down.
There's one start with Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you in our group.
Yeah.
Go down in it. You'll find the sources we will need.
Okay. Ebook
You're
one.
fine. No, Nurul Bayan book, the second one.
Second, Abayan. Al Bayan.
Exactly, Nurul Bayan. That is the book which we are using. Nurul Bayan book. For the new people, there is other pinned message, which have the videos, here. The 6 classes which we learn it till today. Our today class is the 7th. So if you wanna keep up with the class, we need to watch this pinned message for the videos. And the other pinned message have the rules of the group and the data which we will gonna use. Any more questions, guys?
No, this is it.
Hey, hope the class is easy so far. You can also join our groups on Telegram for practice Arabic speaking, conversation, or reading with other teachers and students.
Want to support this project? Check the links below or reach out if you can help with editing or design. We have more than 500 lectures in waiting for montage or editing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your question in the comments below. We might cover them in future lessons.
Only with your support we can maintain our content and increase it. That was a little shorter break. Now let's continue.
Like for the other part of the class about learning words or learning sentences, learning how to speak or meanings, we will not take that part today. We will only enough with what we learned today and our homework, and we will not learn any new words today. And we just revise that with you guys. If some person here does not remember, he remember what we learned in the speaking part. We learned it till today. Like first, masmuka, like when you meet a person, masmuka, masmuki. And to answer that, ismi, and mention your name. كيف حالك أو كيف حالك. You say الحمد لله بخير. الحمد لله بخير. من أين أنت؟ من أين أنت؟ أنا من, and mention your country. أنا من Uzbekistan. أنا من مصر. أنا من الهند. أنا من Pakistan. أنا من اليمن. And so on. We also learned somebody asked about these letters. I think it was section. Then we learned how to use a nationality. So we said nationality, we make it by adding E or إية after the country name. مصرية, مصرية. يمن, يمنية, يمنية. أنا من اليمن. أنا يمني. هند, هندية وهندية. أنا هندي. أنا من الهند. فلبين, فلبينية, فلبينية. أنا فلبينية. أنا من الفلبين. أوزباكستان or Uzbek, أوزباكستاني, أوزباكستانية. أوزبكية, أوزبكية. أنا أوزباكستانية. أنا من أوزباكستان. روسيا, روسية, روسية. أنا روسية. أنا من روسيا. كندا, كندية, كندية. صومال, صومالية, صومالية. أنا صومالية. أنا من صومال. فيتنام, فيتنامي وفيتنامية. أنا فيتنامية. أنا من فيتنام. ألبانيا, ألباني وألبانية. أنا ألبانية. أنا من ألبانيا. This about the nationality. And then last time we learned the pronouns, which is أنا and نحن. أنا and نحن for like speaker pronouns when you speak about yourself or a group of people. أنا ميليا. أنا ساندرا. أنا من Uzbekistan. We speak about myself. أنا. نحن. We speak about a group of people. We speak about us. نحن من Uzbekistan. نحن ميليا وساندرا. وساندرا. Then we learned أنت وأنتي. أنت وأنتي, which means you. أنت وأنتي, which means you. So أنت محمد, right? أنتي. من أين أنت or من أين أنتي. من أين أنت or من أين أنتي. So where are you from? من أين أنت or من أين أنتي. So أنت وأنتي. أنت وأنتي. So like those, we use them for you pronoun. You say you. أنت أنتي. أنت محمد, right? من أين أنت or من أين أنتِ. وأنتِ, which we said it's short for a question. And you, وكيف حالك أنت. وكيف حالك أنت. We use it to confirm. To confirm. And then the last two we learned is هو and هي. هو and هي, which means من أين هو ومن أين هي. When we speak about a boy or about a girl. About a boy or about a girl. Is that clear, guys? Is there any question about that?
Bro, I think if I get English meaning of beside this word, it would be pleasure for us maybe.
Watch the video, Sabir. All of that we discussed, I'm just revising. Probably you will not understand anything. Watch the last classes here.
Oh, this one I'm
You are able to understand. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, watch the last classes.
Okay.
We learned those in 6 classes till now. We learned 6 classes. Watch the videos of these classes. If you are able to read and write, probably you don't need most of the video. You just need the last part of the video where we are discussing about grammar. So watch the last parts of these videos. Watch the last 10 minutes from every videos or something. We are discussing about those in details with the meaning and everything. And you will be able to practice and speak them like the others here. So like after that, guys, last time we learned هذا and هذه, which means this. هذا قلم, هذا كتاب, هذا ولد, هذا نور, هذا محمد, هذه سيارة, هذه طاولة, هذه بنت, هذه مخلصة وساندرا وميليا. And last thing we learned how to say shukran to a person. This was our review about last classes till today, guys. Is there any question or anything not clear from anybody here?
Okay. Me, I have a question, teacher.
Go ahead.
So in English side, when we're talking about this and like this, both of them like they have the same meaning, but they are different, right? If it's a plural, how I can pronounce?
You will say هؤلاء.
لا?
هؤلاء. Yeah.
Uh,
But we didn't discuss about it yet. هؤلاء for plural.
okay.
So
Thank you for
you say,
that's what I want.
for example, if you are saying هؤلاء, like I was saying, هذه مخلصة, هذه ساندرا, هذه ميليا. But if I'm speaking about all of them together, I will say هؤلاء مخلصة وساندرا وميليا. هؤلاء مخلصة ساندرا وميليا. That's a plural for هذا and هذه. A plural for هذا and هذه.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. I understand, teacher. I understand well. Thank you for me.
Okay, تمام. Perfect. But we didn't study هؤلاء yet. We will learn it more in the future. As a small information, هؤلاء, it's a plural of هذا and هذه. It is a plural of هذا and هذه. So هؤلاء مخلصة وساندرا وميليا. هؤلاء ساكشم وعبد الكافي ومحمد.
Nice.
Any more questions, guys?
It's getting interesting. No.
It is. Just keep attending and watch the videos if you didn't come here, and you will be perfect.
Thank you.
Milia, Hidayah, Aisha, Galime, you have questions, guys? Are you shy or something?
What is you in plural?
I mean, why you want to confuse each other, guys? Okay, so I didn't teach you the plural not to like make it hard for you. But if you want to say you in plural, it's antum, antum. So we learned anta and anti, and we also have a third one, antum, antum.
Oh,
This
That's why
say again.
we're not there yet. That's why you didn't like just say. I mean, we're gonna go.
No, we will use it in the future, but probably nobody start using the plural pronouns before he use the singular. In the beginning, you just need to use the singular one. You need to mention to one person. أنت محمد. من أين أنت? That's why, for example, when I start the class, I do not say to you كيف حالك. When I say to everybody, if you check the recording, I always say كيف حالكم جميعا, not كيف حالك. But when all of you speak to each other, you always say كيف حالك, كيف حالك. But in my case, I use a plural pronoun, which we didn't study yet. I say كيف حالكم أنتم.
When you gave
Yeah.
us the list, I saw just the half of it. That's why I thought, like, is it the you rules there or something? Is just the thing with them?
No, no, no. Arabic have 12 pronoun. 12 pronoun. You only have 6 here. أنا, نحن, أنت, أنت, هو, هي. These only 6 of 12. So you only learn it half of the Arabic pronoun. In the future, when we will start speak about plurals, we will learn. But in this time, inshallah, we will not use this. Inshallah, when the time comes to study the plural, all of that will be written in Arabic letters, not English.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
No, it's at all. It will be very easy, inshallah.
Sure.
Is there anything hard till now?
No, not yet. Like I know everything
Exactly.
that you taught me.
Yeah, nothing will be hard, inshallah. We will not go any harder than this. But only if you keep the classes one by one. But
Yeah.
if you keep the classes accumulated on you and you didn't study and they become a lot and you didn't able to, you are mixing between them, it will be terrible and hard for you.
Yeah, it's gonna be messy.
Exactly. Practice make it perfect.
Yep.
I think nobody have more questions. So
I agree.
we can end our class at here, inshallah.
Well-
And at the end, I will say, take care of yourselves, guys.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your question in the comments below. We might cover them in future lessons. Want to support this project? Check the links below or reach out if you can help with editing or design. We have more than 500 lectures in waiting for montage or editing. Together, we can spread Arabic and Quran to more learners. See you next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.